Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make a LinkedIn profile public. Why would you want to know how to make a LinkedIn profile public? Well, maybe it is your first time using LinkedIn and not sure how to make a LinkedIn profile public. So today I am going to show you how to make a LinkedIn profile public. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Making a LinkedIn profile public is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will make LinkedIn profile public. First of all, open LinkedIn app in your mobile phone, and now here is my LinkedIn home screen. Now click on your profile icon in the left top corner and then click on settings in the bottom of this page. Now in this new screen, click on visibility and then in this new page click on edit your public profile. Now scroll down this page and then in edit visibility section just click on toggle button next to your public profile visibility to turn it on, and your LinkedIn profile has been public. So there you go. If you were wondering how to make a LinkedIn profile public, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.